Hey guys, it's Patrick from Specialist ID. Today I want to show you one of my favorite badge reels made by Key-Bak. This is the number 6 ID. It's their number 6 series, has a 2-inch diameter reel. This particular one has a regular belt clip, and it's got about a 36-inch pull, and it's very tough. It can hold about 6 ounces. So you got 6 ounces of retraction force here. So you can hold quite a few keys, small tool, photo ID, and anything else you might have. Like I said, it's made in the USA. These guys are out of California. If you have any questions about any of our Key-Bak accessories, feel free to give me a call or send us a message. It's sales@specialistid.com. Thanks a lot.